Okay, so what is component? We talk about the components. The components are the subject of substance, either chemical element or chemical compounds, whose percentage is necessary and sufficient to make up a system. Okay, so what the kind of the presence? Presence means, I mean, the components. Components, I mean, whatever the kind of the materials that are present on which you are focusing to do the study. Okay, so if we talk about, I mean, the one phase. I mean, suppose one component. One component means you have only one atom. I mean, pure metal. If you have the only pure metal, that means you could say this is a pure, I mean, one component. If you have the two components, I mean, alloy, then it is a two component. Okay, so components means, I mean, how many elements are present in that your in your system. Okay, so a pure metal is a one component system, and alloy of two metal is binary on, and if the alloy of the two components or three components, I mean, it could depend on your subject of study. Okay,